In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I moved a $25 account to 250 plus profits in just one night. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because here I share information that people literally pay for free. All you have to do is just subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I drop a video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be trading Nobo's account. I don't know how to pronounce his first name. I don't want to get it wrong, so I'd rather just say his last name, which is Nobo. So I'm gonna be trading his account. He just inboxed me from the last video I posted. I said you guys should comment Valentine's and inbox me on Instagram after following me, and I'm gonna trade your account, right? So that's what he did, and I'm gonna be trading his account right now. So as you can see in the background, I just entered a trade on VIX10. Let me just give you a quick breakdown to why I entered this trade and what I expect from it, right?
Yeah, boy.
So this was a rising wedge, and a rising wedge always falls, right? So I just had to spot my entry levels and then I ended my sales. So what I was expecting here was price to actually touch my lower trend line and break it a little bit, and then it will shoot up, right? So I was just scalping through, and as you can see, price went exactly how I predicted.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I just closed my profits. So in case you're wondering, saying, Jed, you said it was a $25 account, but why is it 22? Well, I took some trades before this, and then it actually did hit my stop loss, but it was in drawdown. I just had to come out because this looked so nice compared to the trade I took. So I just had to come out my positions and then enter this trade. That's why the balance was a little bit
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
lower than what I said on the intro. So yeah, don't come for me. The only reason I'm explaining myself is because I don't want you guys coming for me. So let me explain myself one more time again. As you can see, the balance here is 51 USD and I closed 50 USD. So what happened here was I took an early entry on jump 100, which I had to close and just wait for it to actually fully mature, right? But then I closed the position with some profits, taking my account at 51 USD. So I just had to wait for the trade to actually mature and then storm in with a lot more position on jump 100, as you can see.
What the?
Yeah, this was my analysis here. It's the same thing, guys. This was a rising wedge, which I knew to say it was going to fall all the way down, right? So to those that want to learn the art of prediction with the FX P2B strategy from me personally, just make sure you hit me up and I'll fill you in on how you can go about it. And I just recently dropped my course on the 30th of January. So if you want to have access to it, just hit me up. It's in form of tutorials. I just dropped it a few weeks ago, so it's still fresh, and I like the feedback so far. The feedback has been amazing. It's only positivity from the time I dropped the course. So if you want access to it, just make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can get access to the course, right? So yeah, let's get back to the trades. Let's just wait for this setup to play out and see how much it will give us.
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, after waiting for a few minutes, boom, the trade went straight into profits. I was in deep buy, so I just had to close my positions because I was satisfied with the profits. You know, there's no need to be greedy here. Now my account is big, so I can actually capitalize more on this. So let's just find another trade so we can fully capitalize on it and get to our profit target. So shortly after, I found another setup on VIX75. It was a very good setup, guys. So I just had to storm in my sales. So as you can see, I've already entered my sales here. So let me just give you a quick breakdown to why I've entered these sales and what I expect from this trade, right? So as you can see here, price was forming a channel and price was on a downtrend. So I knew to say if price would touch my upper trend line and then break my B2B trend line, it's going to fall all the way down, right? But then these entries weren't as sharp as I wanted them to be because I was supposed to enter on the breakout there, but then I was late to see this trade, so I just had to storm in. But then it wasn't a sharp entry, so I wasn't very much confident in this setup. So I started looking for more setups, and shortly after, I found another setup on VIX75 which looked so good, guys. It's the same setup as I wanted to take. If you noticed in the beginning, I had pending orders on VIX75 1S. These were the same pending orders, so I just had to enter my position manually because VIX75 1S is still on my point of interest, and I don't want this trade to leave me, guys, because I know to say it's going to go down. So I want to capitalize on this trade also. So let me just give you a quick breakdown to what I'm seeing here, right? VIX75 1S reached my IFC So I knew to say from here price will start going down because it also touched my upper trend line. As you can see, I had to put my trend lines here. So now what gave me an extra confirmation here was the IFC here. So when VIX 75 touched my IFC, it went all the way up to liquidate early sellers, and then it started falling. So I know for sure right now it's about to start falling. So that's why I'm entering these sales, right? So let's just see how everything will turn out. So after waiting for a long time, guys, like the trade started retesting on the same time, guys. Like imagine. So I saw 40 USD in negative, but then I didn't panic. I just had to like come out VIX 75 because I knew to say the account won't take this retest if I keep these two trades running, right? So I just had to come out one trade so it can sustain the other trade, right? So that's what I did here. I just came out, and then it was a bit late. As you can see, the time was late, so I had to sleep and just leave the owner of the account in charge, right? So when I woke up, guys, when I woke up in the morning, he told me to say the trade went all the way to 300 plus profits, but then it started testing, so he had to come out at 200 plus profits. So yeah, guys, this is him here. He actually withdrew the money and it reached his inbox, and he was so happy. So learn the art of prediction with the FX B2B strategy and start withdrawing also, you know what I'm saying? So if you want me to trade your account next, all you have to do is just like this video, comment in the comment section below what you like about this video, and also comment the word Valentine's, and then follow me on Instagram and DM me there. Then I'll trade your account next. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала до Волгодонского.